wide awake and perfectly at home here in the frozen forest. They survive the winter on nothing more than twigs and bark. But they're smart, only picking plants that provide the most protein. He's about as tall as the snow is deep, but he's got something that makes living here seem like a walk in the park. Enormous webbed feet. They're built-in snowshoes. So he's always ready for a sprint start. And he needs to be. He's not alone in these woods. A Canada lynx. In winter, a lynx has one main source of prey, and he's it. His ears rotate independently, always listening out for the ominous crunch of footsteps in the snow. Spotted. Lynx are agile hunters, though not quite as light on their feet, which buys the hare precious seconds. Canada lynx don't give up on dinner easily, so escape must be timed to perfection. With the help of those snowshoes, he can hit a top speed of 30 miles per hour. A clean getaway. Canada lynx rarely miss. This is one lucky bunny. When the breeding season arrives, there will be more hares to take the heat. Until then, he'll need to stay on his toes.